everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about another chess piece. And that piece is called the Rook. And a rook is placed in every corner of a chessboard. Like this. And a rook is worth 5 points. So you're saying, how does a rook move? And this is how it moves. A rook cannot go diagonally. It can only go left to right, which is horizontally, and up and down, which is vertically. So you're saying, this rook is there, and it's my turn to play. I want to take the rook out. Now, is the rook diagonal? Nope. Is the rook on horizontal? Nope. But is it vertical? Yes. So you can take it because a rook can go horizontally and vertically. So you can take that rook. Psh, gone. And now you're saying, oh look, I found another rook and it's my turn to play. Same thing. Is the rook on a diagonal? Nope. Is a rook on a night square, like an L shape? Away like this? Nope. Is it vertically? Yes. Is it horizontally? No. And a rook can go vertically and horizontally. So we can take the rook. Psh, gone. And now we took both the rooks out. But in a game, we should use the rooks very, very, very smartly. Because rooks are pretty important in the game. Because there are many types of games you can play, like rook endgame, rook and queen endgame, rook roller, and many more. So make sure you have both your rooks, especially, yes, both your rooks. I took a rook. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and always be watching our videos. See you later. Bye-bye.